Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix design tab missing in Word. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and also subscribe our channel. So guys, sometime design option is missing in the home screen of Word. So in this video I will show you how you can fix this problem. So you can see file option, so just click on it, and then you will see options, so click on it, and then click on customize ribbon options, and then you will see design option, so mark this option. So after that click on OK option. So guys, you can see design option show in the home screen. So guys, in this way you can fix design tab missing in Word. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.